Oh yeah, big unboxing on the way, y'all.
Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
What's up, YouTube? This your man Calico the Truth Reviews, and I'm back in the building with another video. And today I got another unboxing for you guys. I got the PS5 Pro in the building from GameStop. Just got back, actually. Yeah, I just want to go ahead and do a quick unboxing with you guys. But also, I did post on my IG recently about the PS5 Pro and why I did upgrade. Of course, there's not really a big distinction between the regular PS5 and the PS5 Pro besides a more overclocked CPU. You get more teraflops. What does that mean? That means that you're getting more performance, you're getting better graphic fidelity with your games, you're enhancing the quality of your games, more immersive gameplay, of course, meaning you may get 4K 60 on some games, you may get more better quality as far as visual fidelity, just those type of things. So it features AI upscaling. Also, there's a more beefier CPU on the inside of the internals of the PS5 Pro. More beefier CPU inside of the PS5 Pro on the internals. And then also, not to mention, you guys, they also added 2 terabytes of storage. So I was super hype about it because I was like, yo, the original PS5, I was running out of space. I just never upgraded the storage on it. Of course, like now I'm a big fan of the PS5. I actually love playing the PS5 now, actually more than my Xbox, but don't tell none of my homeboys that because they still play on Xbox. But anyway, but all in all, you guys, I just want to go ahead and do this quick unboxing with you guys, of course. I do definitely enjoy the PlayStation ecosystem, all right? So console comes in at $699, all right, $699. It's definitely a very pricey console, definitely very pricey, all right? It's definitely up there. I don't approve of the price, but I understand you got to pay to play if you do want to definitely enjoy some of the graphic fidelity. And also I have the Sony A80L, so I want to test it and see how good is the graphic fidelity. And then also after this unboxing, man, I got a whole overhaul of stuff that I bought for Black Friday. A bunch of sound quality, sound bar, I got speakers, other things like that. I want to definitely unbox on the channel, show you guys, and we can get into that as well. So stay tuned for that as well, man. But let's get into this unboxing, shall we? So Sony always coming through with the nice box, all right? Of course, that is the rear of the box here, but let's show you guys the front, all right? And show you guys the front of the box, all right? Very nice packaging, shows you the PS5 Pro. Also, I did not get the stand. I'm gonna actually order it on Amazon, try and see if I can get it. Forgot all about it, you guys, so definitely about to try to go ahead and get a actual stand for it, because I definitely like to stand my PlayStation 5 up. So on the back it says PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution. Get super sharp image clarity on your 4K TV using AI enhanced resolution for ultra high definition play with astonishing detail. And then also you get optimized console performance, reach higher and more consistent frame rates for silky smooth gameplay with support for VRR, 60 hertz and 120 hertz displays. And then you're getting advanced ray tracing, experience next level realism with ray traced reflection, shadows, and high quality global illumination as you explore stunning game worlds. All right. So on the PS5 Pro, you see here on the side, it has the actual console, has the controller, and then on the back, everything that I just read to you guys. And then on the side here, of course, you're getting PS5 Pro branding on the sides, all right? And of course, all the kids at home, it also has a ingestion hazard. You don't want to ingest any of the parts, any of the moving parts, all right? So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, guys, all right? So let's get it. Now also, guys, On the top, it also says it's a disc-free console, so I'm planning on actually getting a disc drive for this console. So hopefully I can definitely get one, because I was trying to get one on the website, but unfortunately it says that they're sold out at the time. So I plan on getting one because I do enjoy my physical media, and I am a physical guy. I do like all of my physical media. I have not converted over fully to digital. So yeah, man, that's just me. All right. So time to unbox this baby. The tab is already broken on the front. I don't know how it got broken. I guess at the store I must have accidentally broken the seal here, but it's all good. Let's open her up. I know, that's what she said. All right, so I got a box in a box, all right? A white box and a box. All right, so let's go ahead and open her up. As you open her up, you're greeted with of course, a power cable here. Let's get a close-up of that, a power cable, a PS5 power cable. All right, set that down there. All right, look like you also get the legs for the stand here. So these are the legs that you put into the PS5 to make it sit vertical. You have to buy the stand where it sits upright separately. And I do want to get the stand that it sits upright, but I know that's an extra charge. All right, let's see here. Also, you get the PS5 controller here. Of course, it's probably the standard PS5 controller, not a Pro controller, which I wish it was, because it's actually a Pro game system. You would think, Sony, that it needs to be a Pro controller added, all right? But I understand that that's an extra premium price, but still, if you're gonna call it a Pro, add Pro contents inside of the box. You know what I mean? So I digress. All right, so nice controller. You got a high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable for your fast, high-definition gaming here. So that's a nice HDMI cable, nice long HDMI 2.1 cable for your 4K gaming, of course. And then you also get a USB to USB-C for your controller to charge it. And the star of the show, the PS5 Pro. All right, this is the star of the show. All right, this is your console. All right, let's sit that there. Let's unwrap it nice and slow. Let's take the wrapping off of her nice and slow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, get undressed for me. Oh yeah. I like that. And let's see. All right, so as you look, it's much smaller than the standard PS5, definitely. Let's get these boxes out of the way here first so we can get a good look at that. And also in the bottom of the box, guys, you get your PS5 regulatory safety guide, and also your instruction manual and guide how to use your PS5, how to plug it up and all that good jazz, all right? But everyone knows how to basically use their PS5, all right? It knows how to power on a console. All right, look like you got two USB-C ports in the front. You got your power button. Of course, you don't have a disk drive button to pop out your disk drive here. You got some Sony branding there. You got a PlayStation logo there. You got an HDMI port on the back here. You also got a LAN and Ethernet cable. You got also two USB ports and your power port for your AC adapter charging for your PlayStation to power it on. All right, and then if you look in very closely, you'll see here that you got some PlayStation branding, the triangle, circle, X, and square. So that's a nice touch to see the triangle, circle, X, and square. But all in all, it looks like a pretty good console. I mean, as far as the aesthetics go, I definitely like it. It looks very sleek and modern. But I do want to see actually how the performance is on this console. So I'm gonna definitely get ready to power it up. And I got some other stuff that I want to unbox downstairs and show you guys as well. And yeah, we're gonna definitely test it out and definitely enjoy some gaming. All right, but I digress. This was a quick unboxing of the PlayStation 5 Pro. Definitely a very sleek and modern console. I'm definitely liking it. I'm definitely going to be adding a disk drive to this console, and I did like the touch of the 2 terabytes of storage. So that'll be all in all a good just a good addition to my gaming setup. Just knowing that I can add more games, definitely be able to play a lot more. So, and also add me on PlayStation, man, at Calico the Truth. Besides that, I think this was a win. All right. Even though the price tag is a little bit hefty, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. That price tag is definitely a little bit too heavy. But if you can afford it and you can play around a little bit, cool. All right, cool. All right. But all in all, I do appreciate you guys for checking out the video. Please drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, we're going to definitely keep you guys informed on newer updates with the channel. All right. Newer updates with the channel. I'm going to keep you guys involved. And also that second giveaway is on the way, you guys. So please be patient with me. The second giveaway is on the way. All right. And I do appreciate each and every one of you guys for checking out the video. This has been your man Calico the True Reviews. You guys take care of yourselves and each other. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. Peace.